Hi, this is Maria from Maria's Garden. Hi, good morning, everybody. I'm just gonna give you an update in my Madagascar palms. Remember last week I showed you I got all kind of plants from my friend that she's moving back to Philippines, and these plants are very hard to get. Some of these plants are you can only get seeds. So I got the plants, and what I did, I planted. I planted in big pots, fertilized them, put the right soil. These two are done. Okay, what I mean by done, I cut in, I take all the old damaged stuff, and I take all the root. You can see over here, each place where was damaged, I cut it off and seal it with my glue. Each one. So now it can rain and rain and rain, and they're safe. These palms, or Madagascar palms, are very similar to desert rosas, okay? These palms, you take care how you take care of desert rosas, okay? They have a little kind of trunk, big trunk in here, okay? These are 20 years old, okay? And they are grown from seeds. That's what she told me. The only difference, they have little thorns in here, okay? Doesn't bother me because I think they're very beautiful and shiny. I love the fact they're shiny, and I like the fact they are different than anything we see in Florida. So this one, for example, this one has a lot of damage, okay? A lot of damage. So what I'm gonna do, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna cut a little bit, a little more, and it's still bad. You see that? So we cut a little more. You see that? It's still bad. So, oh my goodness, it's still bad. So I'm gonna cut a little more. And there you go. That's the farthest we can go. So what I'm gonna have to do is seal this. Okay? And what I have to take care of them. I like them. I like them a lot. So I gotta figure out how to take care of them. Okay? So there you go. There you go. You see that? So we're gonna seal that real good. And then this one over here, you cut a little bit. It's good. This one over here, you cut a little bit. It's good. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna cut all the damaged stuff like this. And this is good. This is good. This is not. So that way, oh, this is not good at all. This is totally rotten. Okay. This is good over here now. So this is good. This is not. And go one by one and clean them, just like the desert roses. Is that amazing? I'm so lucky to have them. I love them. They are so beautiful. You watch in 2 years from now, these babies are gonna be big and giving me all kind of flowers, and you is gonna say, "Oh, Maria, can I have some?" And they produce seeds just like desert roses. Their colors is like white, pink, maroon, purple. You see that? I had to clean all that because if I don't, the water can kill them. In some places I don't have to cut them, but I still had to seal them. You see, this is good. This over here I'm not gonna cut because this is all, but it's healed real well. This is good. This is good. This is one more here. I don't see any more damage in here. So this is gonna help the plant a lot. I mean, the plant is getting water. No longer it's gonna get water. So this is what we're gonna do. The same thing we're supposed to be doing with the desert roses. You have, I usually say, what kind of little towels. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take all the sap out. All the sap out from each cut, okay? Look at the sap. You can squeeze a little bit, take the sap out, and this works. I mean, it's amazing. This glue works. The one I'm gonna seal it with is, we are in Florida, okay? It's very humid, so the other stuff doesn't work. Many stuff I try doesn't work because the humidity. So since we're doing this in the rainy season, it's like an emergency because my babies are getting water in there, and I do not really like that. I gotta take care of them. So first we get all the sap out. Look at all the sap. You see that? So you squeeze them very good. Get the sap out. Clean them hard. Don't, you're not hurting. You're helping them. Clean them very good. All the sap. Sap in here. And what we're gonna do is let's see, this one still has a little brown in here, and I don't like this, so I'm gonna cut. You see that? I still a little brown in there, and I don't like that. You just squeeze this up. That way we don't have to use the cinnamon in case it rains tomorrow, because rains all the time here in Florida. So this is exactly what you're supposed to be doing to your desert rosas, only an emergency right now. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna use this glue. Rose tell me about this glue. So I purchased glue from Lowe's, but and then I went back and I find this glue. This glue is number 2. This is number 3, and this is waterproof. This is water resistant. This is waterproof. This one is similar, very similar, almost the same, but they dry in an hour. They dry in an hour. So you can use either one. So what you do, just put a little drop in each one. A little drop just like this. Just like this. And I forgot my Q-tips. I'm sorry. I use a Q-tips for each one. Just put a little drop in there. And the amazing thing about this product, by tomorrow, everything is by tomorrow, everything is dry and nice hard, and it's protected from the water. Even the old ones that are not look damaged, but I don't know. I don't wanna take a chance. So everything that's being cut, there's all new, like this one over here, is gonna get glue. And when this glue dries, this glue will be clear by 1 hour. Okay, like this one over here was a cut one time, healed nice, but it's still gonna put this glue. Doesn't hurt the plants at all. Okay, the plants have new growth all the time. So there you go. Here it is. Anything, go take your time and seal everything, because you protect your plants from rain. Doesn't matter where you live. Any country you live, we always have rain. So if you do this, you prevent problems next year or the following year by sealing your plants. And see that? How nice. And the good thing, this one looks okay, but I'm still gonna seal it. Okay, this one looks okay, but I'm still gonna put a little seal. So everything is sealed. Okay, so I got 5 Madagascar palms. They are very, very beautiful from here. That's this, all this here, and this all dry in an hour. All these plants, this is done, that's done. I still gotta do 2 more, but I'm so happy with this. Look at this. This look like a plastic in here. Every little cut that I did, just like a plastic. It's hard like a rock. I just did it like an hour ago. Look at this. But I cleaned the suffers very good. Each one. So don't wait to have problems. Just go ahead and do it. Anyway, I have 5 Madagascar palms, and I have a little surprise for you. Let me get it. The surprise is this. This is a surprise. This one, the lady said was dead. She tell me it's dead. I'm gonna throw it out. So I tell my husband, no, go. I'm gonna call her and we're gonna get it and try to make a plant from. I don't think it was dead. So my husband goes there and tell her, Maria wants the plant. She goes, what you want it for? It's dead. What you want it for? It's dead. It was big, but I cleaned it up real good yesterday. Got all the damaged stuff out. Put my cinnamon, let it dry for a little bit, and then I put the glue. This glue in here, and it's nice and hard. It's drying very well. Also, I did every tip in here. I did here, right here. Everything is sealed, even over here. I see everything. I really honestly think that when this plant, in maybe 6 weeks, when I plant it, it's gonna grow roots around here. It's gonna fill out with roots in here, and it's gonna be a plant just like the other one. It doesn't, at least I give it a try. I don't like to throw plants away when they're hopeless like this. Somebody didn't take care of these plants, so I'm gonna give it a chance. So I hang it like this in my storage, and sometimes I have the fan going, blowing it, drying it. It's alive. Has a big strong in here and big heart in here. So I don't know. Supposed to be big, but we'll see. Anyway, that's it. Other thing I have, and we have to be very careful because I don't want to contaminate anything. Other thing I have, this little surprise. These are carnivorous plants, means they will eat insects, flies, and everything. My friend from Alabama sent it to me. Is he sweet or what? They are so cute. They are carnivorous. These will eat flies, insects, mosquitoes, and everything. Look at them. They're so cute. Anyway, I don't want to hold you forever, but I gotta tell you something about rain. When I got the box, I opened the box, and the instructions say, listen what the instructions say. The instructions say, use still water to soak this moss, or rainwater. Do not use faucet water. Do not use drinking water. Don't use water from the bottles. It's telling you something. The rain is good for our plants, okay? I'm telling you that. So the only two things you can use, the rainwater, straight rain, or you can use still water. So I'm ready, and they're beautiful and they're cute, and see what happens. So other thing I was gonna tell you, when you get plants from people in the street or garage sales, when you bring it to your house, always spray them for anything. Like these plants are 20 years old. How do I know what they have? I mean, they have my spiders or canos. I don't want to bring them to my house and have problems. So always spray them, okay? And I always have a little bottle like this with a spray. Why? Because if I see something wrong, I just go and spray. I don't have to go and fill the garden sprayer or anything. I just go and spray this plant, and quick, spray everything. When you spray the trunk, spray the soil and everything, okay? If you like my videos, please subscribe and give me thumbs up, and wait until next video. Bye bye from Maria's Garden.